For a big family kitchen where hot pots and crafting are constant, choose heat and stain-resistant countertops that stand up to daily heavy use. Sintered stone, such as Neolith, offers near ceramic hardness and very low porosity, so it resists stains and thermal shock. Install with full adhesive coverage and leave a small expansion gap at walls to prevent cracking. High-quality engineered quartz selected for elevated heat tolerance can work well when you pick mixes without large resin content and pair them with a clear hot pad policy to avoid sudden thermal stress. During installation request, seam placement away from cooktops and ensure edges are adequately supported. Natural granite is heat tolerant and ages well, but still benefits from routine sealing on some varieties, and a household rule to always use trivets for direct contact with very hot cookware. Large format porcelain slabs give excellent resistance to both heat and stains and are very thin yet strong when laminated to a stable substrate. Have the fabricator check reinforcement and recommend appropriate subtops to avoid flex. Wherever you install any of these materials, plan for proper overhang support for heavy-use islands, choose edge profiles that reduce chipping, and specify a matte or low-sheen finish to highlight surface marks from crafts and daily wear. Finally, train household habits with clearly placed trivets and silicone mats, and add a small countertop repair kit from your fabricator for quick fixes to chips or burns. Common mistakes include treating all engineered surfaces as equally heat-proof, which leads to sudden cracking. Avoid that by confirming manufacturer heat limits and using trivets for direct contact. Another issue is under-supported overhangs that flex under weight and cause hairline fractures. Solve this by requesting reinforcement brackets or corbels during installation. A third problem is assuming sealed stones do not stain. Some granites and composites still absorb oils or dyes if not maintained, so establish a simple cleaning and resealing schedule and keep a stain removal kit on hand. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like heat and stain-resistant counters for large family kitchens, helping us find local professionals and show our work. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn practical installation and maintenance advice together.